Alright guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Today we're going to be discussing XRP on the daily chart here. Let's just go take a look at this. This is going to be a big update to the tutorials we were doing before. We were discussing that we would be in the sideways channel for quite a period, and there would come a time when I put up my bars pattern on here that we would change over, and by this November we would be moving up, and no one was really taking me seriously. And I was discussing with you that we would break up and have to get over 91, and from there we would make our way up and readdress our 180 top, and we are now up at 200, and well, it says here 230 is the highest we've been. Let's go take a look at the square and let's make a connection with that as well. 49 cents is right here. We've been talking about this. Every single blue line on here represents a red line on our square. These are the 8 octaves of time, and they also represent the 8 octaves of price. So, no, I did not populate them on here. Okay. Following along here, 49, we made our low. Okay. We have now squared out, and we have come out 2, 4, 6, 8 squares in price. We've been vibrating right around this area right here. This is opposite our top in Bitcoin right now. We won't be talking about Bitcoin right now. Our breakout is at 91 right here. Note this. This is 90-degree angle from where price is vibrating right now. 50% or equal to 91, or this area here, is 135. Yep, right there. And we've tested as low as 128. Right here on our square. This is how powerful this tool is, and our forecasting. We'd like very much for you to have made something on this move, and I know that there are some of you out there that have done so on my forecast from these tutorials that I give out for free. So please share in the comments with your fellow XRP community that you followed along with our forecast and that you in fact made a fortune or did well. It doesn't matter. Anyways, peace and love to all of you.